Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get this glitz and glam Christmas tree inspired look right here. So if you clicked on today's video, I hope you enjoy it because this is a little different than what I normally do. So before we jump right into this video, please make sure you hit that like button for me. It would mean the absolute world to me if you guys did that. So without further ado, let's jump right in. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. To start, we're going to be using the Professional Primer from Benefit Cosmetics to lay a base down for our look today. And I hope you guys are enjoying these voiceovers. Sorry that I'm doing these now for the moment instead of the regular ones. We're going to go in with the Naked Cosmetics loose eyeshadow real fast, and we're going to do this or use this for the star, and we're going to do the star first to create an outline of where we want it. We're going to use the All Nighter setting spray to create kind of a liquidy consistency for the eyeshadow to make it smoother and easier to glide. But like I was saying, sorry if you guys aren't completely enjoying these videos. Please let me know if you are. I've been doing these videos because it's easier for me to do them right now with me working. But if you guys prefer the other videos that I was doing with me live talking instead of voicing over, please make sure you let me know in the comment section below because I always like to make my videos appealing to you guys. But yeah, we're just gonna finish up the star here, and then we're gonna start on the dots that make up the tree itself. Now we're going to go in with that Dose of Colors concealer, and we're going to use this to place the dots down, and this is the base for the color that we're putting down for the tree. And you can do as many or as little dots as you want for this look. It's really just your choice and whatever you'd like as the creator. Now we're going to go in with that Morphe 25L palette, and we're going to start out with that red shade to begin the look with today. I really like this 25L palette because it has almost any color I really need when it comes to a rainbow variety, so it's a really good go-to palette. Like I said, we're going in with that red shade, guys, just begin this look with. Taking that color switch to switch the colors so that they don't bleed together. But now we're going in with that Ace Beauty palette, and we're taking that blue shade as our second shade for this look today. Now we're going to go back in with that Morphe palette, and we're going to go in with that green shade. And you don't have to use these specific palettes that I'm using either, guys. You can use any colors that you want for the Christmas tree look. You can use as little colors as you want for the look, and you can use whatever palette you want and whatever shades of these colors that you want. These are just what I have available to me in my collection. Make sure you use whatever you have available to you in your collection. So we're going to go in with that Hip Dot palette. And we're going to go in with that purple shade because I'm pretty sure this is the only purple shade I have in my collection. At least it was the only one I could find at the time of me creating this video. Now we're going to go back with that Ace Beauty palette, and we're going to go in for that orange shade because I really like how vibrant that orange shade is in this palette. Alright, now to jump right back into that Morphe palette with this yellow shade. Now we're going to go in with that pink shade from the Morphe palette, and we're going to do that shade as our final shade for this look. And then we're going to move on to the next step. Alright, we're going to go into the Suva Beauty Hydro Liner in the shade Grease now. And we're going to be using this to make that little swirly path that kind of like guides the outline of what the tree looks like. So like without the line, it's just a bunch of dots on my face. And then when you add this line, it kind of makes a slight formation of a tree throughout it all. And you can do the swirly line however you want. You can do it as close as you want, as wide as you want, you know, whatever you think looks best. Alright guys, last but not least, we're going to go ahead and we're going to throw some gems onto this look to kind of make it look like those dots that we placed on our face are lit up as if they were Christmas lights. And the gemstones I got from Walmart, and I like using them because they're self-adhesive, so when I don't want to sit there and spend a long time fiddling with like eyelash glue or something and I just want to put a gemstone on quickly just for a small time period, these are really good for that. Alright guys, that is all I have for you today. So I hope you enjoyed this Christmas tree glitz and glam inspired makeup tutorial. If so, please make sure you don't forget to drop a like, comment, share, and subscribe to this video. And make sure you stick around for next Wednesday for when I upload the next video. Alright guys, I will catch you in the next one. Peace.